Look around, what do we see? Blocks and books where feet should be. Teddy bears having a nap on the floor. Shoes and socks at the door. Clean up, join the cleanup parade. Step by step we put things away. Clean up, sing it while we play. Every toy finds home today. Cars can park back in their lane. Crayons jump into their train. Shirts and pants do a closet dive. High five, we're almost done. High five.